Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Agata Tantra Ayurveda Toxicology. Chapter 2 Introduction of Visha Part 1. Contents: Derivation of Visha, Definition of Visha, Synonyms of Visha, Mythological origin of Visha. Deviation or Nirukti. The Visha word comes from the root vish by having ka, proportion, which means to encompass or to get fully pervaded or to get occupied. Thus, one which pervades the body immediately after ingestion is called as Visha. Definition or Paribhasha. First, according to Ayurveda. A. Deham pravishya yadravya dushayitva rasadigan swastya pranaharam cha syat taddravyam vishamuchyate. The substance, immediately after entering into the body, causes vitiation of healthy dhatu or killing of the healthy person is called as visha. B. According to Charaka. Jagat vishanam tam drishtva tena asau visha sapnidaha. The substance which causes sadness or vishadam to the world is called as visha. According to Susruta, vishada jananatvacha vishamityabhidiyade. The term visha is derived for causing vishada or depression of spirit even for the devatas. According to modern concept, a poison is a substance which, when administered, inhaled or ingested, is capable of acting deleterious on the human body. Thus, almost anything is poison. There is no real any boundary between a medicine and a poison. For a medicine in a toxic dose is a poison. A poison in a small dose may be a medicine. In total, the real difference between a medicine and a poison is the intent with which it is given. That is, if a substance is given with intention to save life, it is a medicine. But if it is given with the intention to cause bodily harm, it is a poison. Synonyms of poison or Visha Paryaya. According to Amarakosha, Shveda, Gharala, Visha. According to Rasa Tarangini, Visha, Shveda, Gharala, Kalakuda, Tanmadam. Mythological origin of poison or Visha Prag Utpatti. First, according to Acharya Susruta, in Susruta Kalpasthana, Prajam ima Atmayonehe Brahmanaha Srijadaha Kilaha Agharo Asuro Vignam Kaidabo Nama Dharpidaha. It is stated in the scriptures that a demon named Kaidaba obstructed in various ways the work of the self-origin Brahma when he was engaged in creating this world. Tasya Krutasya. At this, the omnipotent God grew extremely wrathful. While Vaktrat Brahmanaha Tejaso Nidhe Krodho Vigrahavan Bhutva Nipadadadi Dharunaha. The Vahman, wrath of the god, gradually swollen and inflamed, at last emanated in physical form from his mouth, Vaktra. Satam Dadaha Garjanda Mandagaba Mahabalam and reduced the mighty death like roaring fiend to ashes. Tadho Asuram Ghadayitva Tatejo Avardhadat Pudam. But the energy of the terrific wrath went on increasing even after destruction of the demon. Tadho Vishado Devanam Abhavatham Niriksha Vai. At the sight of which the gods were greatly depressed in spirit, Vishadam. Vishada Jananatvacha Vishamidi Abhidhiyade. The term Visha is so called from the fact of its filling the gods with Vishada. Tadaha Srishta Prajaha Shesha Tathata Krodam Ishwaraha Vinyaha Tvan Sa Bhudeshu Stavareshu Chareshu Cha. After that, the god of creation, having finished his task of creating this world, cast the wrath both into the mobile Jangama and Stavara, immobile creation. Next is according to Acharya Charaka in Charaka Samhita Chikitsa Sthanam. History of origin of Visha in Charaka. Amruthartham samudre tu madhyamane surasureihi jatne प्राक् अमृतो उत्पत्तेः पुरुषो घोरदर्शनः दीप्ततेजाः चतुर्द्रष्टो हरिकेशो अनले क्षणः जगद्विषण्णं तं दृष्ट्वा तेन असौ विषसंज्ञितः. While the ocean was being churned by Devas and Asura for obtaining Amrita, before the fermentation of Amrita, a ferocious looking person with fiery eyes, 4 fangs and greenish looks, emerged. After seeing him, the whole world became desperate, Vishada, and from that desperation, Visha originated. Source of poison in Charaka. Jangama Stavaraya Tad Yono Brahma Ni Ayochayet. Tad Ambu Sambhavam Tasma Dvividam Pavagobamam. Lord Brahma deposited this Visha in Jangama and Stavara category. Hence, in general, Visha originated from water and it is hot like fire and is of 2 types. Almost similarly, Acharya Vagbhada has also explained. Next is from Ashtanga Sangraha. Pura Galvam Amrtharte Sura Asuraihi Salila Nirte Vimadhya Manad Krodha Iva Rupavan Sattvam Tad Darshana Devam Yado Devadhanava Vishannaha Tasmadi Vishasapyan Avava Tatra Sahasaiva Sarvabhutani Nirdagdu Krama Ubayoga Visheshai Visham Amrtadam Nayamano Brahma Anuniya Aushadishu Nyastavan Ashtanga Samgraha Uttara Sthana. Whatever may be the significance of the historical events, but from the scientific point of view, the Visha can be understood in the following ways. A. Ambu Sambhavada. Because of its origination from sea water, it was called as Ambu Sambhavada and Jala Sambhava. It got liquefied and flowed like jaggery in rain. Thereafter, it was destroyed by Agastya, and such poison become mild in action after rainy season. Pavagobamata. The Visha characters are similar to fire or Agni, so it gives rise to Paitika symptom in the body. So it gets pacified by water because of its Shaitya property, which is opposite to the fire. Dvividada. The poisons are of 2 types, Stavara and Jangama. So, in the treatment of poisonous conditions, usage of an opposite poison indicated. For example, using of Jangama Visha as an antidote to Stavara Visha poisoning, and similarly using of Stavara Visha as an antidote in the Jangama Visha poisonings. Next, Amrdatva. Origin of the Visha and Amrta are same. If poison is used in therapeutic doses, it acts like Amrtam. So it is called as Amrtam. So thank you for watching our video. Like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.